In this video, we are going to install the tools you need to get started with web development. And the first we are going to use is a browser, and I'm going to use Chrome, Google Chrome. So if you don't have Google Chrome, open your browser and then simply search for or type Google Chrome and you are good to go. Google Chrome download. And then you can download this tool for your operating system. All right. And then the next tool you're going to use is called VS Code. It's a text editor that's going to help us to write our code. There are a lot of text editors out there talking about Sublime, Atom, or even Notepad. But the most popular right now is called Visual Studio Code. So if you don't have it, the same process, head over to Google and then search for VS Code, and then click on the first search result. Alright, and you select based on your operating system. If you are on Mac or Windows, sorry guys, download for your operating system. Alright, so I have already been installed. Installation is pretty simple. Just click install and then next, and you're good to go. So after you download and install, let me open mine here, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so let me open a new project like this. Okay, on the onset, this is how it looks like. So this is what I'm going to use to write our code, right? So before we get started the next video to write our first code, let's do some settings, right? So for this VS Code, we can install additional extensions. So let's make our VS Code more beautiful, right? So if you click on this, let's install a theme. A theme simply means that's going to make your code really beautiful or your code like that. So the tool I'm going to use is called, the theme is called Andromeda that I'm going to use. And then you click on that and then you install. For example, I have it. So when I click on this, I just click on enable or install and you're good to go. And then you need to install this package called search for auto close tag. Click on that and install. And the one I'm going to use also is called icons, right? So search for icons and then let's see the icons I use. The icon is called VS Code icons. So click on that. If you haven't installed it, you see this icon, click on that to install. But I already have it. Alright, so now that we have VS Code, that is our text editor, being installed. Alright, and then we have Chrome browser being installed. The next video, we are going to start creating our first website.